Hey everyone, in this video we will cover a topic where DAX fits in the Power BI landscape or where DAX is used. So essentially Power BI has a lot of different languages which are getting used. You've got Power Query which uses M, and then you've got the desktop which uses DAX. So where does DAX fit in actually? So typically when you're getting data, you can get data from multiple data sources, which could be, multiple databases, as you can see on the left hand side. And then you can do some form of ETL, which is extract, transform, and load. And you could do that using Power Query, or you could be using SSIS or any other ETL tool. And then you basically bring that data into a bigger database, which could be a SQL Server or a Redshift. And then you could model the data, and then once you model that data, you enhance that, you bring that data into Power BI. And once you've brought that data into Power BI, which is the extreme right hand side, you can add or create some more calculation. Think of maybe you want to create some formulas in your Power BI. So let's say you've got total cost and total sales value. You want to find the profit, so you could say sales minus cost and you could get the profit. So those formulas essentially sit in the Power BI, and they're a lot of times done using DAX. So that's where DAX sits and is very powerful, is at the extreme right hand of the spectrum when you've imported the data into the Power BI desktop. So where does DAX sit? DAX essentially sits in the Power BI desktop. That's where you will use and leverage it. So just to recap, in this video we've covered where DAX sits in the entire Power BI landscape, and we'll be covering more topics as we go along on this journey. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.